record. There we go. While we're waiting, I was gonna ask, how is everybody feeling with our simple prayer that we start off with? Is it still a little bit of a tongue twister?
A little bit, for me anyway,
A little bit.
but I'm practicing, I'm trying.
Yeah. For February. February.
So I take out the ones that are showing?
Yeah, the ones that haven't showed at all, yeah, that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen for prayer. Let's see. Share screen. There we go. Ah. Come, it's not letting me move. Move. There we go. Kayahuas, welcome to week 5, day 1. Kayahuas. I was asking how you're feeling with this prayer because I was gonna introduce another one, but we'll maybe do another week of this one before I introduce the new one. There we go. So Titakinkaknish is let's pray Titakinkaknish. Asapi Hawis Nacha Atuin Kwakin Pohtakshi Hupiin Huip Titakiakin Chu. I just want to remind you guys to be on mute until we call your name and you can unmute yourself. So listening for your name. We're gonna do attendance. I'm gonna bring, just going by the names I see on the screen here. Oh, it doesn't even have the Heath Hawk. Heath Hawk is my question. You're answering Ha, Heath, Sish, or Wikidish. So Heath Hawk Jacqueline.
He's just,
Heath Hawk Melanie.
Hilsish,
Heath Hawk Valerie. Valerie. She answered it. Heath Hawk Tracy.
Hilsish,
Go. Heath Hawk Kwaya.
يقصش
Ishaq, Andrea,
حاهيسيش
Ishaq, Elizabeth,
Ahisish.
Ishaq, Savannah,
حاهيسيش
Ishaq, Gwen,
Ahisish.
Ishaq, Tahayashishtul,
حاهيشة
Ishaq, Selena,
حاهيسيش
Ishaq, Carissa,
Ahisish.
Ishaq, Shelby.
Ahisish.
Click go. Believe that's everybody I see on here. So our icebreaker, our question, aku. Remember to say your H's when you're asking the back H. Aku. Our 3 items this week. Your first one is kwapi-ish. Kwapi-ish. It is coffee. Kwapi-ish. I'm asking Miss Kiwikana aku. What is this?
Kwapi-ish.
Kwapi-ish. Your first item. The next one is papatsak-ish. Papatsak-ish. It is bread. Papatsak-ish. Remember to say that. Papatsak-ish. It is bread. Papatsak-ish. Oh, Miss Kiwi Donna Akaku. What is this?
Papatsak-ish.
Papatsak-ish. It is bread. The next one is Susupitcook-ish. Susupitcook-ish. It is sugar. Susupitcook-ish. It is sugar. Akakaku, Miss Kivitana.
Susupitcook-ish.
Susupitcook-ish. So if you can take a moment to write down those 3, I'll put them all up on there for you to see. Kwapi-ish. Papatsak-ish. And Susupitcook-ish. Let me show them all so you can see them.
Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in progress.
Oh, let's make this screen bigger. I just didn't get attendance. Okay. It's echoing. We're gonna have to sign in. Trying to just put the.
No.
Can you see the 4 now? Aku, it's your question. Kwapi-ish, it is coffee. I think I need to make it smaller, right? Bigger. Kwapi-ish, papatsak-ish, susupitcook-ish. And I'm gonna send you to your breakout rooms to ask. So when you're answering, if kwapi-ish has been said already, you have to answer with another one, papatsak-ish. Susupitcook-ish. A little bit of harder words. Quapi-ish. Papatsak-ish. Susupitcook-ish. Does everybody have it written?
Not yet.
Okay. And also, when you're asking the question, remember to say the back H's. Akak, ahku, akak, ahku. Quapi-ish. Papatsak-ish. Susupitcook-ish. Yeah, remember the C in our language is ts. Susupitcook-ish. There you go. Susupitcook-ish. Papatsak-ish. The ish at the end is it is. Quapi-ish. Papatsak-ish. Susupitcook-ish. Susupitcook-ish. Pit. Susupits. Yeah, there you go. Susupitcook-ish.
Takes a little while to twist
Yeah,
it the right way, I guess.
yeah. I used to say it's hard for my brain to switch to a how is it when I first started learning.
Yeah.
Are we good to go to breakout rooms now?
Yeah, I got mine.
Okay, I'll give you a couple minutes to practice in your groups. Again, your question is akak, aku. What is this? Quapi-ish. It is coffee. Papatsak-ish. It is bread. Susupitcook-ish. It is sugar. Create, open all rooms. Okay, you are assigned to a room. I'm
Sorry,
gonna
what's word
put
again?
Timer on. Timer, where's my phone? Okay.
I guess I will start. I'll ask Ava, Akak, Aku, coffee.
Copy-ish. Gwendolyn. Akakaku. Sugar. Susupix-ish.
Pretty close there, Tuxaquin. Susupitcook-ish.
I forgot the hook.
Yeah, just
Mm.
about.
All right. How do you say his name?
Sahayashishtus, or Daral is his English name.
Okay. Akakaku Daryl. I'll say bread.
Hold on. I have my notes right here. Give me a second. Papa at Akish. I don't think I said that one right.
Papatsak-ish.
Papa at Ish.
Week-Shinqua. Terry,
Yeah,
what are we supposed to do?
so we're practicing our akak-aku. And our
Okay,
Our first word is kwapi-ish. It is coffee. Kwapi-ish. I'll share my screen again. So you must have just got here. Jamie and Trish. So can you see my screen? So we're doing
Yes.
kwapi-ish. It is coffee. Papatsak-ish. It is bread. Susupitcook-ish. It is sugar. So I'm just gonna bring everybody back. Then I'll ask a couple in the group as we come back.
Okay. Thank you.
Here's my screen.
Can you say bread one more time?
Papatsak-ish. Papatsak-ish.
Thank you.
So it's just bringing everybody back now. So as everybody comes back, I'm gonna ask a couple the question akak-aku. What is this? So I'll move my arrow to the different items. The first one you're answering, kwapi-ish. Kwapi-ish. It is coffee. Papatsak-ish. Papatsak-ish. It is bread. Susupitcook-ish. Susupitcook-ish. It is sugar. Susupitcook-ish. So I'm going to mute everybody and you can unmute yourself when I call your name. Just so everybody can hear me.
I resend her the link though.
So I'm going to ask, who's first on the list? Jacqueline, akak-aku, Jacqueline. Jacqueline, are you still here?
Yeah, I'm fighting with my phone.
Oh.
Copy-ish,
Just kwapi-ish.
copy-ish.
Andrea, akak-aku, Andrea.
Papatsak-ish.
Plus, papatsak-ish, plus. Who's next? She just joined. Valerie, akak-aku, Valerie.
Susupikak-ish.
Plus, susupitcook-ish. Plus, little Bettina, akak-aku.
Copy-ish.
Plus, Klahayashishtus, akak-aku.
Papa Hold on. No, hold on. Oh. Papa at ikish.
Papatsak-ish. Papatsak.
Papa ish.
Yeah, remember the C in ours is papatsak-ish. Good try. It's a little bit of a hard one. Next one, Gwendolyn. Akak-aku.
Su picks cooks ish. No, this
Yeah, it's a long one. Su pitskuk-ish. Klako. Trish. Akak-aku. Trish.
Qua-ish.
Kwapi-ish. Carissa. Akak-aku. Carissa.
Papa. How do you see that? Papa.
Suck. Suck. Yeah.
Suck.
Papa suck.
Ish.
Ha. Papa suck.
Ish.
Good. Wayne. Akak-aku. Wayne.
Susu pik-cook-ish.
Su pitcook-ish. Plus Jamie. Akak-aku. Jamie.
Qua-ish.
Plus Kwapi-ish. Melanie. Akak-aku. Melanie.
Pa, papa, pa, papatsk-ish.
Good
Papa
try. Papa sucks-ish.
ish.
Papa sucks-ish.
Ish.
Good. Who's next? Elizabeth. Akak-aku. Elizabeth.
Susu Pittscook-ish.
Plus Susu Pitcook-ish. Shelby. Akak-aku. Shelby.
Floppy-ish.
Kwapi-ish. Selena. Akak-aku. Selena.
Papa Cluck-ish.
Plus Papa sucks-ish. So I know a couple of them are a little harder this week, but I'm just trying to think of everyday things we use or see around us.
Did Pam make it in?
I don't think so.
I send her.
Can
Yes,
some,
I did.
Savannah is on here too. Yeah, she's in now. Akak-aku, Savannah.
Susu Pittscook-ish.
Yes, Pam. Yes, Pam is there. Akak-aku, Pam.
Kwapi-ish.
Just Kwapi-ish. There we go. There's our warm-up. Akak-aku, what is this? Kwapi-ish. It is coffee. Papatsak-ish. I know it's a little bit of a hard one. Papatsak-ish. It is bread. Susu pitskook-ish. It is sugar. Susu pitskook-ish. Good job, everybody. We're going to move on to our alphabet review. As I'm setting that up, did anybody have a chance to write down their family trees?
Sorry, not me.
No,
Sorry, I didn't get mine either.
that's okay if you didn't. I was going to give you a little bit class time to write it down.
Did you send something to us?
I
I mean, I
sent,
was away all of last week.
I sent a form. It's okay if you didn't do it, we can do it during class here. To do your family tree so we can start sharing that. That's part of our introduction of telling us who you are, where you come from, your parents and your grandparents. But we'll continue on before we get to that. I'm going to mute everybody so you can hear me clearly and you can sing along while you're on mute. I'll sing with my assistant. So Nunuk Ani Tawak Katsta. Ta cha cha ha. Kwa sha. Ma na pa sh ta wa ya Hotak shiklish nu chasa. You kwa ichne na mishikya. Ta cha cha wa. And say the pairs. Ta ta cha cha ha e ka kwa sha ta ma na pa kwa sh ta u wa kwa ya ta cha wa. And then I'm gonna ask the types of letters. I'll give you a quick flash. Our plain letters, glottal has the apostrophe above it or beside it. Our wedged letters have the check. Back letters have the dot underneath. Our barred L, barred lambda, short letters, long letters. Rounded has the little W, pharyngeal, glottal stop, glottal wedged, glottal rounded, and rounded back. So I'll leave this up and I'll ask what. Where did we leave off? Selena, what are our barred letters, Selena?
Oh, geez. I don't know. Sorry.
Okay, so we have the barred L
Okay.
and our barred lambda.
Okay.
Barred L and barred lambda. Shelby. What are two plain letters, Shelby?
The K and the M.
Push, plain K, plain M. Elizabeth, two glottal letters.
Glottal T and glottal K.
Did you say T?
C.
Oh, C, okay, glottal C, glottal K, Who's next? Savannah, what are our wedged letters, Savannah? Our wedged letters.
A wedged C and a wedged S.
Tush, ch, and sh. Melanie, what are our back letters, Melanie?
Back H and back X.
Tush, back H, back X, H. Jamie, what are our short letters, Jamie?
U and A.
Tush,
And
ah,
ah.
Tush. Who's next? Carissa, what are our long letters, Carissa? Long letters.
A and I.
Plus and E. Plus. Wayne, what are our rounded letters, Wayne?
I don't know. I don't know if that's the class I missed when you guys went over this.
Okay, that's fine. So a couple example would be rounded K, qua, rounded Q, qua, and rounded X, qua. Who do we have? Gwendolyn?
Where'd you
What
put it?
is our pharyngeal and glottal stop? Gwendolyn.
It's those weird thing at the end.
Yes, these weird ones that look like the question mark. Klahayashishtus. What are two more examples of plain letters? Klahayashishtus.
And huh? Just a plain H?
Yeah, plain H. Who's next? Little Bettina. Two glottal letters. Little Bettina.
Glottal. Is that the two weird things at the end?
Quick. So glottal has the apostrophe above, like a glottal P, or a glottal Y. Yeah. Who's next? Pam Frank. What are our long letters? Pam Frank. Long letters.
Long letters. The E and U, the
Good.
I's, the two I's and the two U's.
Yes. E, and ooh. You're skipping one. Who's below her? Val? Valerie. What are the back letters, Valerie? Oh, she was saying she might leave too. Can you hear me, Valerie? Oh yeah, I see her.
I haven't been practicing enough.
That's
can
okay. So
see
the
it.
back has the dot underneath, back H,
A and X.
back X. Plus Trisha, what are our barred letters, Trisha?
The cla.
Ha, barred L and barred lambda. Andrea, what are our short letters, Andrea? She's still with us, Andrea? Oh yeah.
Yes, I am. A, I, and U.
Plus, ooh. And last one, Jacqueline. What are our rounded letters, Jacqueline? Couple rounded letters.
Rounded Connor. Ward Connor.
Did you say Jacqueline?
Yes, Jacqueline, our rounded letter.
Rounded. And
What? I heard you say
W.
what?
Yeah.
What?
And how do you say the KW?
So qua and qua. So a slight
Qua.
difference between our K and our Q. Qua and qua. Q is more at the back of your throat. Qua,
Qua.
qua. Hello, everybody. Oh, let's move this sound of the way. Move this sound of the way. Thank you for your patience for switching between these screens. So today I was going to introduce weather. When we greeted each other before, some of the elders told us that's how you greeted each other, was talking about the weather. So I have an example here. Cook-ish. It is a nice day. Cook-ish. It is a nice day. Ani-ish. Cook. It sure is nice weather. Ani-ish. Cook. It sure is nice weather. So if I say this one to Kiwitana, cook-ish. Cook-ish. It is a nice day.
Ani-ish, cook.
So it's just a way to greet each other, but I'm going to show you the types of weather that we teach. So when I ask my students, I say chu, akin uinasi, and I'll point outside chu, akin uinasi. What is the weather like outside? And I put my weather flashcards up for them to see, and they tell me how the weather is today. So I'm gonna go through that with you. So when I ask, I say, Chu akan nasi. What's the weather like today? And our first one is Klupa-ish. 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 It is sunny. Klupa-ish. It is sunny. Kima-ish. 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 It is drizzling. Kima-ish. It is drizzling. Miklakakish. 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 It is raining hard. Miklakakish. It is raining hard. Miklakakish. Titska-ish. 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 It is thundering. Titska-ish. It is thundering. You've had a lot of that this fall. Katsa-ish. 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 It is hailing. Katsa-ish. It is hailing. Katsa-ish. Kuchwa-ish. 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 It is icy. Kuchwa-ish. It is icy. Kuchwa-ish. Remember to say your kuchwa-ish. Kwamatsas-ish. Kwamatsas-ish. It is frosty. Kwamatsas-ish. It is frosty. Kwamatsas-ish. Remember, C is ts. Kwamatsas-ish. It is frosty. Cook-ish. Cook-ish. It is a beautiful day. It is a nice day. Cook-ish. Cook-ish. It is a nice day. Oaxaca-ish. Stetwahakish. Stetwahakish. It is cloudy. Barred L at the front. Stetwahakish. It is cloudy. Stetwahakish. Uchkakish. 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 It is foggy. Uchkakish. It is foggy. Uchkakish. Weak sea-ish. Weak sea-ish. Weak sea-ish. It is stormy. Weak sea-ish. We've had a few storms already. Weak sea-ish. It is stormy. Masa-ish. 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 It is cold. Masa-ish. It is cold. Klinahak. 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 Rainbow. Klinahak. Quissa-ish. 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 It is snowing. Quissa-ish. Yui-ish. 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 It is windy. Yui-ish. Clear, clear-ish. Clear, clear-ish. It is lightning. Clear, clear-ish has the back H in there. Clear, clear-ish. It is lightning. Mikla-ish. 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 It is raining. So I've shown you 3 different types of rain because it rains a lot on the West Coast. Klupa-ish. Klupa-ish. It is hot. Klupa-ish. It is hot. Klupa-ish. Same as it is sunny. Quityasish nuchi. Quityasish nuchi. Quityasish nuchi. There is snow on the mountain. Quityasish nuchi. So I'm gonna put them up so you can see. So every class from now on, I'll be asking Chu Akan Akshkauinasi. You can say the types of weather you've seen throughout the day. Move this up so you can see them all.
Wait. Can you say really cold and raining really lots?
Yeah, I'll go over them again.
Oh, okay.
Just trying to put them all up so you can see. Whoa, that's too small. Is that still too small for everybody? That helps.
I have a question.
Yes.
The last one, is it all written together? Or is there a space for Quiyas-ish Nuchi?
Quityasish nuchi.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. 2 words. Quityasish. Quityasish nuchi.
Well-
So our first one on the top left here, Klupa-ish. Klupa-ish. It is sunny. Kima-ish. Kima-ish. It is drizzling. Miklakakish. Miklakakish. It is raining hard. Miklakakish. Teetska-ish, it is thundering. Teetska-ish. Katsa-ish, it is hailing. Katsa-ish. Kuchwa-ish. Kuchwa-ish, it is icy. Kwamatsas-ish. Kwamatsas-ish, it is frosty. Ukuk-ish. Ukuk-ish, it is a nice day. Tetwahakish. Tetwahakish, it is cloudy. Uchkukish. Uchkukish, it is foggy. Weeksy-ish. Weeksy-ish, it is stormy. Masha-ish. Masha-ish, it is cold. So it has the barred L in the middle. Masha-ish. Sha-ish. Masha-ish, it is cold. Klinhak. Klinhak rainbow. Quissa-ish. Quissa-ish, it is snowing. Yu-ish. Yu-ish, it is windy. Clear-ish. Clear-ish, it is lightning. Mikla-ish. Mikla-ish, it is raining. Chupa-ish. Chupa-ish, it is hot. And Quityas-ish Nuchi. Quityas-ish Nuchi. There is snow on the mountain. So, and when I ask the question, Chu Akan Aklah Uinasi, what is the weather like outside? Chu Akan Aklah Uinasi, what weather did you see today?
Klupa-ish.
Klupa-ish, it was sunny today. Klus, what else did you see today?
Mikla-ish.
Mikla-ish, was it raining today?
How do you say cold?
Oh, okay, this one.
Masla.
Masha-ish.
Masha-ish, yeah, Masha-ish. Definitely cold today. What else?
the
Anything else?
fog.
Fog. Uchkakish.
Uchkakish.
Uchkakish, Klus, fog. Seen some of that on my way home. Anything else today?
Kwamatsas-ish.
Kwamatsas-ish,
Kwamatsas-ish.
frosty.
It was frosty this morning.
Klus, Kwamatsas-ish, frosty. Anything else?
Lithwakish.
Pardon me? Uchkakish.
Lithwakish.
This one here?
Yeah.
Setwahakish.
Oh, Lithwakish.
Setwahakish, it is cloudy. Seen those today too. So it has the barred L at the beginning. Setwahakish has the back H in the middle. Setwahakish. Anything else? Cookish, cookish. The sun makes it feel like a beautiful day. Cookish. Anything else we can say about today?
Quiyas-ish Nuchi.
Quityasish Nuchi. Quityasish Nuchi. Plus. So to recap, we had Klupa-ish, it is sunny. Klupa-ish. Setwahakish. Setwahakish. Uchkakish. Uchkakish. Masha-ish. Masha-ish. Kwamatsas-ish. Kwamatsas-ish and Quityas-ish Nuchi. Quityas-ish Nuchi. So I'll be uploading this to this week's videos. So again, our question is Chu akin aklah uwi nasi. Chu akin aklah uwi nasi. What is the weather doing today? So every
Are
class.
you gonna show us how that is written?
Yes, it's on my right here.
No.
Chu akin aklah uwi nasi. Chu akin aklah uwi nasi. What is the weather like today? Chu akin aklah uwi nasi. Two back H's there.
And in the beginning, you had some writing like Ukukish.
Oh yeah, that was my.
Neat-ish. I never finished writing, and you went to something else.
Sorry. Uukukish, it is a nice day. Ani-ish, uukuk, it sure is nice weather. We'll get more into simple conversation about the weather later on, closer to the end of the course. Uukukish, it is a nice day. Ani-ish, uukuk, it sure is nice weather. And our question, Chu akin aklah uwi nasi. I have been also emailing everything I post or teach every class. And I put it in digital books and upload it that way too. So our next exercise is Akititk. Akititk. What did you eat? Akititk. Akititk. What did you eat? And you're answering by starting your sentence with U eats. U eats. U eats. So I'll ask Miss Kiwitana the question. Akititk. What did you eat? Akititk, Kiwitana?
Who eats it? Moose moose. Who is
Kawats.
Who eats it? Moose moose. Oh, ish kawats. Beef and potatoes.
Good. So I'll ask a few people the question. Akititk. And if you can start your sentence with who eats it. Okay. Akititk, Jacqueline. Akititk, what did you eat?
Who eats it? Kraft dinner and hot dogs.
Good. Akititk, Andrea.
Who eats it? Chicken rice and veggies.
Good. Akititk, Trish.
Who eats it? Moose moose and potatoes.
Good. Kawats. Good. Akititk, Valerie.
Oh, it's, how do you say bologna?
Oh. This Mrs. Meat.
Huh?
Mrs. Meat.
I missed you. Somebody went over you.
Okay, I'm gonna mute first. Hold on. Tiskmis is meat, like any meat. Tiskmis, I don't know what we'd. Isn't that a mixture of stuff, or is it beef? It's a mixture.
This miss anyway. Oh, ish cowards.
Just Akititk, Jenny. Akititk. Genevieve. Oh, there she is. I don't know if she can hear me. Oh, yeah.
Can you hear me?
Ah,
I missed the beginning, sorry.
I was asking you, akitzik, what did you eat? Akitzik. And you're answering with u eats it, then tell us what you ate.
Who eats it? Chicken.
Yes, chickeness.
Chickeness.
Akitzik, Pam.
Who eats it? Chicken, yams, and vegetables.
Yes. Akitzik, little Bettina.
It's mashed and toast.
Yes. Akitzik, Daral.
Who eat? Who eat it?
Ah.
Chickenish. Who eat rice?
Yes. Akitzik, Tuxaquin.
Grab dinner ook is kawik.
Yes. Akitzik, Wayne.
Who eats it? Moose, who eats coward?
Yes. Akitzik, Carissa.
Who eats it? Chickenish. Who is call it?
Yes. Akitzik, Jamie.
Who eats its moose wish salad?
Yes. Akitzik, Melanie.
Who eats its pasta uish salad?
Yes. Akitzik, Savannah.
Who eats its clams? Who is rice?
Yes. Akitzik, Elizabeth.
Who eats its chow mein och is rice?
Yes. Akitzik, Shelby.
Is quiet here?
Yeah.
Who eats its chow mein?
Yes.
Who gets the fried rice?
Yes. Akitzik, Kwaya.
Go ahead.
Who eats its grilled cheese? Who eats French fries? Is that
Yes.
right?
Akitzik, Selena.
French toast.
Who eats its French toast?
Oh, huh. Who eats it? French toast.
Just let go, everybody. Just going through everybody since we have a small list here today. Before sending students off. There we go. So our next question, plus it kwaich. Plus it kwaich. Did you have a good sleep? Plus it kwaich. You're answering if you did. Ha plus it's kwaich. Ha plus it's kwaich. Yes, I had a good sleep. If you did not, wikiu swatch, I did not have a good sleep. So ask Kiwitana, plus it kwaich, Kiwitana, plus it kwaich.
Ha, Klislit Waich,
Plus
Klislit Kwaich, Zika.
ha, plus it's waich, ha, plus it's waich. So this time I'm gonna ask you to ask someone in our class after you answer, okay? So ask one of your classmates. We'll start off with Selena. Clusit Quaich Selena. Clusit Quaich.
Cluch it, what it,
Close. Now ask the question to somebody.
cluch it, what it, Wayne,
Click go.
Cluch ik wa ich.
Clus. Can you ask someone, Wayne?
Cluch it wa ich. Carissa.
Click go.
what it, cluch it, what it,
Can you ask someone next, Carissa?
cluch it, what it, Valerie,
Click go.
Wick. Plus X wa H. Plus H wa H. Melody.
Click go.
Clusic Waich. Oh, who else is here? Selena Clusic Waich.
cluch it, what it,
Ask someone different, Selena.
cluch it, what it, Savannah,
Let go.
Wicuse wa ich.
Let go.
Cluthet wa ich. Jamie.
Clusic Waich.
Clus.
Clusic Waich. Bettina.
Let go. Yeah. Little Bettina.
Oh, I thought my nan was Wicuse Waich.
Let go. We'll do 2 more people, so you can ask someone next, Bettina.
Raj Clusic Waich. Nan Yaksu Bettina.
Oh, wow. Cluthet wa ich.
Let go. 1 more person, Bettina.
Cluthet wa ich. Who is it? Who's the last person?
You can ask maybe Trish.
Okay, Cluthet wa ich. Teresa
Trish.
or Trish?
There you go, Trish.
Wicuse Waich.
Trish. Let go, everybody. So just remember.
Yeah, me.
Oh, I'm gonna mute. Hold on. Mute.
You forgot Gwen?
Okay. Where are we? Cliff it qua it toxaquin.
Clues.
It's
Clues. What ish?
just it's what it's just. So just a couple things at the end of this one. Remember to say your K. Clus it what it. And also at the end of this word, remember to say your C. Ha clus it's ha clus it's what it. Good pronunciation on this one, Wicu Swatch. So remember the s at the end of this one, Klitz, and remember your K at the end of this one. Klitz Kwatch. Did you have a good sleep? Ha Klitz Swatch. Yes, I had a good sleep. Wicu Swatch. I did not have a good sleep.
Wicuse Well, it's for me too.
Use Swatch. Click go, Jacqueline. So I wanted to give time for people to write out their family tree. At the top, you'll have yourself. Uklasish Tikup. My name is Tikup. Uklasish, my name is. And then right under that, you're going to write Histakshiks. Histakshiks, tell us where you're from. Histakshiks. Before you tell us your parents and your grandparents, you're gonna use the proper words here. Ohooks, if they're still with us, alive, ohooks. If they've passed away, you're going to write uhokwits. So if I'm telling you about my Iksu, she's still with us. So I'd say uhoks Iksu Esther Robinson. Uhoks Iksu Wayne Robinson. Uhokwits Naniksu Archie Frank. Ish Irene Frank. Luke Robinson, ish Elsie Robinson. I did email a form like this for people who did want to write it out in this format. You can also just write on your own paper. So starting at the top with yourself. Uklasish, my name is. Histakshiks, I am from. And then the next two boxes would be your Nutwiksu and your Iksu, who's your mom and who's your dad. And then underneath them, you'll put their parents. So under my dad, I'd put Luke and Elsie. Under my mom, I'd put Archie and Irene. So I'll put the other screen back up. So I want you to write your family tree and we're gonna share it with each other, okay? So start with yourself first. Uklasish, my name is. Uklasish. And then under that, Histakshiks, right where you're from. Histakshiks, I am from. And then your parents, Ohuks Iksu, Ohuks Nutwiksu. My mom is, my dad is. If your parents have passed away, you're gonna write uhukwits iksu, uhukwits iksu, and then their parents, your grandparents, nani iksu. Okay, so using the proper words, uhuks if they're still with us, uhuks nani iksu, uhukwits nani iksu if they've passed away. Write down your family tree. Uklasish. I have an example when I can.
Terry?
Yes.
Do we need to put Histakshiks where after our grandparents, like where they're from too, or no?
No, that I did that. Sorry, in my example, I did that with my older students because I was trying to get them to understand their family roots. So I put where each person was from, but you don't need to. You could just tell us where you're from underneath Uklasish. Any other questions for your family tree? So start with yourself, Uklasish. Second part, Histakshiks, I am from. Histakshiks, if you want to write in our language, Ahusit. Histakshiks Ahusit, I am from Hausit. After you write that one, tell us who your parents are. Uhuks Iksu. Uhukwits Iksu. And then their parents, your Nanyuksu grandma and grandpa. No, that's why. Yeah, I'll put my example up. I was trying to find it. Non-verbal. Yeah. Just so they could see it though. I mean, I emailed it to me. Yeah, time for sure. Yep. I'm giving them time to write out theirs. Family. Ooh, why is it not letting me? Sorry. Cancel. I'll look on Esther's laptop while I leave the screen up. Leave that up for you guys to write it out. Utkasish. My name is Histakshits. I'm from Hooks Iksu. My mom is Hooks Iksu. My dad is Hookwits Naniksu. My grandma is Hookwits Naniksu. My grandpa was.
Terry,
Yeah.
when we say where he stuck sick,
Histakshits. Yeah.
they say, how is it? And then when we go into the next name,
Yeah, you can.
well, how do we say the in between?
How do you say what?
The in between, like I would say,
Oh, okay. So if you're saying more than one, so if I say I'm also from Pilsma, I also add Quatsui, and then you want to put the ish before your last one. Ish. The oakwit. Sorry, so it's this word here, ish. Put it before your last nation. And so if I'm saying Histakshiks ahusit Kismet Quatswit ish Klaokwit. You can put it before your last nation. Ish. And
okay.
I'll leave that highlighted. Ish. Same, you could put it down at the Nanyuksu too. So when you're doing Nanyuksu, let's make this a little smaller. When you're doing your grandparents, you could do your Oho Quits Nanyuksu. So if you're saying your paternal, I'd say Luke. I'm gonna put his native name. Kupat. Ish. Elsie Robinson. Oh. So you can put it in the middle of your grandparents too. So starting off with Uklaasish. Histakshik's I am from. Uhuks or Uhukwits for your Iksu and Nutwiksu, mom and dad, and then underneath them, their parents, your Naniiksu. For myself, I've been trying to find out all my Naniiksu's empty, their native names. I've got 3 of them so far. I need 1 more so it can be all in our language for my introduction.
Are we putting both our mom and dad's parents?
Yes, so I'll put the tree back up so you see. So an example here. So if I'm starting with myself at the top here, I'd say Uklaasish.
Yeah, I know. I'm at the bottom now. I'm just asking.
Yeah, so under your dad, you'd put his parents, and under your mom, you'd put her parents.
Oh, yeah, I just wrote it on a paper so it doesn't look like it.
Oh, that's okay too, yeah. Or you can just put them all together too, like if you're doing your own paper, just what would you say? Uhukwits Naniiksu Mac Ish Louisa, and then your next 2. So if you're writing it out, Uhukwits Naniiksu.
What happens if you don't know them?
If you don't know, that's okay. You just write what you know. If you don't know them, that's fine. I just want, like, this is just practice for yourself to tell us who you are, where you come from, and who your family is. So you write as much as you can for yourself. Because I feel like that's important for like all of us to know our family roots, right? That's why I teach this to our students. How to introduce themselves. Uklaasish, Histakshik, Iksu, Nutwiksu, and Naniiksu. So this is also a form like on your February attendance. So we can keep track of who has done theirs. Maybe just on this side like you did the other one.
Just this.
Yeah,
Meaning all the ones that are here.
that share, yeah.
Or that share or
So after they
Okay.
share, you check them to say they've completed their introduction of self.
somebody's not muted.
That's okay. This always get in my way. There. So once people start finishing, I'll ask you to share your family tree with us. I can share mine as an example. Kiwitana can share hers as an example.
I'm done mine.
Okay, cool.
I'm done as well
Um,
too.
I'll do my example and then I'll ask if there's people that want to start sharing.
I'm done as well.
Awesome. Awesome. So,
Anton.
okay, we'll start asking people to share in a minute. I'll do my example. In case you need help with pronunciation. Uklasish tikabt utlaksa. Histakshits ahusit kismet quatsweet. Klaokwit manuzit otsusit. Ditidat ish panik. Hooks Nuiksu Kupaat Hooks Iksu Esther Robinson Utskui Frank Hokwits Naniksu Kupat Ish Elsie Robinson Utskui Little Hachismiat Ish Irene Frank Utskui David. So my name is Tikupt. I'm from a house at Kelsmith, Quatsweet, Klaokwit, Dididot, Panik. My dad is Wayne Robinson. My mom is Esther Robinson. My grandparents are Luke and Elsie Robinson. Nee Little, Archie Frank Sr., and Irene Frank Nee David. So I'm gonna. I had 3 people say they were finished. Do I have a volunteer to start sharing their
Done.
speech? That was bad. Yeah, I heard Val.
I can.
Andrea, okay, click go, Andrea. So let's listen to Miss Frank.
Classisch Andrea Frank, Histakshis, Ahausit Kelsmit Heshquit, Kilquit, It's Quatswia, Uhoks, Iaksu, Leona Frank, Utsqui Sabis, Uhoks, Nutwiaksu, Paul Frank Sr., Uhokwitz, Nuniaksu, Irene Frank, Utsqui David, Ish Caroline Sabas, Utsqui Amos, Uhokwitz, Nuniaksu, Archibald Frank Sr., Ish Louis Sabas Sr.
That's it. Good job there, Andrea.
Ole.
That's it.
Really?
Chris, do I have a volunteer to go next? I'm sorry, I didn't recognize the voices that said they were finished. We're gonna keep track of who goes, so if you're not done towards the end, we'll ask you to share. We'll call your name.
I'll go.
Let's go, Trish.
I'll go next.
Uklasish, Trisha John, Histakshit, Mochet Muchlet, New Chatlets, Isha Howsit, Ohokwitz Naniaksu, Nuiaksu, Pat Johnson, Ohooks, Umiaksu, Rita Johnson, Ohokwitz Naniaksu, Sam Johnson, Uish Naniaksu, Vi Johnson, Ohokwitz Naniaksu, Albin Michael, Uish Ohokwitz Naniaksu, Rose Michael. Did I say that right?
Trish, good job, Trish. Way to go.
Awesome, Trish. Proud of you.
Ava, was that you saying you would go next?
Oh no,
I
that was
think-
me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Bettina.
Okay, go ahead.
I'll go after Patina.
Bettina and then Pam, okay.
Okay.
Jacqueline.
Okay.
Uchlashish, Bettina Thomas, Histakshit, how's it? Who is, no, I'm not gonna do my dad. Uhukwits, Iksu, Helen Charleston. Uhukwits, no, Iksu, Billy Ray Arthur. Uhukwits, not Niksu, Winona Thomas. Uhukwits, not Niksu, Kaya.
Parisa. Let's
Ooh,
go,
way to
Bettina.
go.
Way to go. Next we have Pam.
Uklasis, Pam Frank, Histakshit, Ahauset, Kersmet, Quadswayat, who is Nuchatlets, Uhukwits, Umiksu, Trudy Frank, Niatlio, Uhukwits, Nuiksu, Edwin Frank, Kwascha, Uhukwits, Naniksu, Margaret Atlio, Nick Charlie, and Jemima Frank, Nee Sam, Uhukwits, Naniksu, Shamrock Atlio, and David Frank. Chu.
That's it. Let's go, Pam. Next we have Jacqueline.
Jacqueline, it's a house it's Mabel Swan, New We Sue, Frank August, we Sue, Nanik Sue, Jackson August, and Dorothy August. That's all I have.
Just let go, Jacqueline. Way to go.
I can breathe now.
Good job. I'm proud of you.
Go.
Little Bettina.
I was just about to volunteer. Uklasish, Aha, Histakshix, Ahuzet, Uhooks Umyaksu, Alicia Wanik Thomas, Uhooks Nutwiksu, Jack Brown, Uhooks Nunyaksu, Bettina Thomas, Uhooks Nunyaksu, Stuart Wanik, Chuch.
Let go, little Bettina. Atsik Bettina.
Oh.
Do I have a couple more volunteers? I can write the lists that are.
I can go next.
Okay, Savannah.
Uklasish, Huchala, Histakshix, Ukluwathat, Quatswiat, Heshkiat, Didadat, Uish, Pakwachin, Uhooks, Umiksu, Annie George, Uhooks, Nuiksu, Tim Williams, Uhooks, Nanyaksu, Marge Williams, Ni Amos, Tutmoose, Uish, Ron Williams, Uhookwits, Nanyaksu, Hazel George, Ni Tate. True.
That's it. Way to go. Way to go. Do we have other people that are finished?
I can do it.
Okay, Gwendolyn.
Uklasi Stuksuquin Istakshik Quebec. Ohooks Hiksu Karen Brissette, Ohooks Nukwiksu Luke Dubé, Ohooks Nat Nixu Joseph Dubé, Ish Donya Philip, Ohookwix Na Nixu Jules Brissette, Ish Diane Wolf.
Let go, Tuxaquin. Atsik.
I'll go next.
Let's go, Valerie.
How do you introduce first?
Uklasish.
Oklasish Valerie Jack, Histakshitlish Ahauset, Kelsmith, Watts Glade, Ish to Tlaoquet, Quits Ixu, Irene Frank, Nee David, Quits Archie Frank, Quits Nanixu Dan David, Ish Ada David, Quits David Frank, Ish Jemima Frank.
Way to go, Valerie.
My battery's dying.
I can try.
Let's go, Koya.
Okay. Oh, somebody want to say something?
No, I just said I can go after you.
Okay, I'll write you down, Shelby.
Chu. Uklasish, Tatuchi Atapus, Histakshik, Ahusat Heshquat, Claupit, Maka. Quits, Iqsu, Kidi Sam, Lucas. Quits, No Iqsu, Seats, Stanley Sam. Quits, Nananixu, or Nanixu, Klauish Lucas. Ish Catherine Lucas. Quits, Nanixu, Paul Sam. Ish Alice Curley. Is that right?
Yes, click go, Koya.
Oh, hey, Chewy.
Way to go, Shelby.
Uklasish Imbachinek, Histakshit Ahauset, Uish Inskatem, Uhooks Iexu, Nicole Tom, Uhooks Nutwiexu, Daniel Frank, Uhooks Naniexu, Trudy Jack, Nee Tom, Uish Uhookwits Naniexu, Irene Frank, Nee David, Uhooks Naniexu, Gerald Jack, Uhookwits Naniexu, Archibald Frank Sr.
Good. Way to go,
Wow, you guys are all
Shelby.
doing
That's it.
awesome.
Do we have any more volunteers that are
I
finished?
can go.
Okay, Jamie.
Oh, Ashby.
Uklasish Jamie Hansen, Histakshis, Hauset, Colloquiate, Norway, England, Ufish, Iceland, Uhooks Umiksu, Beverly Hansen, Uhooks Nuiksu, Arnold Hansen, Uhookwits, Naniksu, Catherine Frank, Uhookwits, Naniksu, Cosmos Frank, Uhookwits, Naniksu, Violet Hansen, Uhookwits, Naniksu, Alfred Hansen.
Good. Way to go, Jamie.
Woo.
Anybody else that's finished?
I say what she said.
Yeah, no, you gotta practice your own.
Darn.
I'm eager to hear you, man.
Uklasish Melanie Moore, Histaxius, Hauset, Cloquiet, Uhooks Umiksu Beverly Hanson Utskwi Frank, Uhooks Nuiksu Arnold Hansen, Uhookwits Naniksu Alfred Hansen, Uhookwits Naniksu Violet Hansen, Utskwi Knott, Uhookwits Naniksu Cosmos Frank, Uhookwits Naniksu Catherine Frank, Utskwi Tom.
Let's go, Melanie.
Wow.
See, that's it.
Amazing for the short period.
Do we have a couple more that are willing to share today? Who else is here? Let's take a look.
Oh, someone going next or?
Wayne? Go ahead, Wayne.
Klassisch Kupat Histakshits man how's it? Who's it? Ish Dididat Uhukwits Umiaksu Elsie Robinson. What do you say that?
Utskwi?
Utskwi Little Uhukwits Naniaksu Mary Ish William Little Uhukwits Nutwiaksu Luke Robinson Uhukwits Naniaksu Mac Robinson Utkwi Louisa Thomas.
Plus. Let's go, Wayne. Selena, are you finished?
Yes. Look ish Selena. His Push. Seot. Uhooks Naniksu Norman Thomas. Uhukwich Amiksu Victoria Pelkey. Uwik Huwix Naniksu Greta Charlie. Uwashu Jonathan Thomas. Uhwix Naniksu Doreen Pelkey. Uwashish Gabe Pelkey.
Oops. Click go, Selena. Elizabeth?
Elizabeth and Chris.
Ukrasish Elizabeth Histakshix Ahauset Squamish Ish Heshquia Uhooks Iaksu Iris Clark Ukswi John Uhookwits Nuiaksu Clayton Johnston Uhookwits Naniaksu Howard Johnston Uhooks Naniaksu Betty Keatla Uhookwits Naniaksu Peter John Uhooks Naniaksu Marlene Sutherland.
Yes, that's it, Elizabeth. Click go. Carissa?
Jimmy and Darrell.
Is she still here? Carissa?
Ginny and Darrell.
What about Genevieve? Jenny?
I missed that part.
Oh,
I'm
that's okay.
slowly reading it.
That's okay. What about Klahaya Shishtur? he still here? Don't think he's here anymore. That's okay. All right, thank you. Clicko, everybody. That was pretty good. Uksasish, my name is. Histakshix, I am from. Ohooks, if your person is still with us. Ohokwits, if they've passed on. Iksu, mom. Nuiksu, dad. Naniksu, grandma or grandpa. Clicko. Pretty epic. I'm proud of you all. So after that, I want to ask Week-Shin-Kwa. Week-Shin-Kwa, how are you feeling after that? So I'm going to put the feelings up if you have forgotten some of our feelings. There they are. That multi-page. View. This is always in my way. Come on. Sorry, gotta move things around. There we go. So we can see them all. There we go. So after your speech or asking Week-Shin-Kwa, how are you feeling? We'll go down the list here. So if you forgot, the first one is hot weeks. Hot weeks, I'm hungry. Nakmihas, I'm thirsty. Put socks, I'm tired. Put asatus, I'm sleepy. Chimks, I'm happy. Weaks, I'm sad. Ush suks, correction. Ush suks, I'm mad. Ta'as, I'm sick. Tohooks, I'm scared. Hayuch shiks, I'm feeling silly. Week-Shin-Kwa, Jacqueline.
Chinks, happy? Is that how you say it?
Chimks, Clicko. Week-Shin-Kwa, Andrea.
Chimps,
Good.
ish, nakmihas.
Good. Week-Shin-Kwa, Trish.
Nakmihas uish puathlatuth.
Good. Week-Shin-Kwa, Valerie. Good. Week-Shin-Kwa, Jenny.
Sorry, I always have to put my mic back on. I am Pusaks.
Good. Week-Shin-Kwa, Pam.
Chimps
Good.
and Pusaks.
Oh. Week-Shin-Kwa, Little Bettina. Asatus, close. Week-Shin-Kwa, Gwen, Tuxaquin.
Nakmihas ish pusaks.
Yes. Week-Shin-Kwa, Kupaat. Wayne.
Chimks,
Yes. Week-Shin-Kwa, Carissa. Week-Shin-Kwa, Jamie.
Week
Yes.
ish chimp.
Let go. Week-Shin-Kwa, Melanie.
Pusaks uish hawiks.
Yes. Week-Shin-Kwa, Bettina.
Iha, how do you say it?
Which one?
Jim's,
Jim?
yeah,
Chimps.
Jim,
Yeah, it has that at the end. Chimps.
Jim. Oh, there we
you
go.
Yeah, there you go.
True.
Wake Qua Savannah.
Chimps. Uish Nakmihas.
Wake Qua Elizabeth.
Nakmihas uish pusaks.
Yes. Wake Qua Shelby.
Jimps uish pu aslatus.
Yes. Wake Qua Quaya.
Hold on, let me find one. Mm, Usakal. I just wanted to say it. I don't know if I said it right.
Oh, Puaslatus, sleepy.
No, the angry one.
This one, oh, Ushuk.
Oh, Ushuk.
Ushuk.
I just wanted to hear the sound.
That's fine. Wake Qua Selena.
Upathatus.
Plus. Wake Qua Miss Kivitana.
Puaslatus ish pusaks. Wichinquatzika.
Chimps. I am happy to hear your guys' introduction. Chimps. Click go, everybody. Oh, where are we? Hayutins, 10 minutes, Hayutins. I'm gonna put that away. We'll go over this one before we sing and end the night. Okay. Is it okay to have multi up like that? Okay, I'm gonna mute people so you can hear me clearly. We're gonna finish off with our alphabet flashcards and then the strength song. Oh, I was trying to mute. There we go. So we have two beaver, achits, bee, tuit, coho, tichutin, eagle, chimps, bear, chastims, mink, hitswin, dolphin, hi, snake, einik, dog, tube, whale, cuckowin, killer whale, common, butterfly, quashu, pig, quisquiku, robin, wahmis, cloud, Clepasum, raccoon, unum, elk, muach, deer, mikla, rain, nani, grizzly bear, nitniqui, hawk, pish, cat, ui, halibut, kakup, swan, quinny, seagull, saucin, hummingbird, shoewis, shoe, tea soup, octopus, utupchus, rabbit, uchwapi, paddle, uyanchus, orange, it, frog, waak, shy, sheep, blue jay, chushka, slimy, wheatenum, brain, nuhwats, berry basket, wind, ma, salalberry, achi, eyebrows, Opponus, apple. Handy dandy flashcards for our alphabet. And we'll end the night with the strength song. So a quick recap before we end the night. Remember to say we are finished. We say hasik akshnish. Hasik akshnish. We are finished. Shah yuti as, take care. Shah yuti as, take care. We went over our family tree with Naniiksu, grandma or grandpa, Nutwiiksu, dad, Iksu, mom, Ohokwits, my blank was, Ohooks, my blank is, Histakshiks, I am from, Uklasish, my name is. Our question of did you have a good sleep? Klus it kwaich. Ha klus it swaich. Yes, I had a good sleep. Wik you swaich. No, I did not have a good sleep. Asking someone akitik, what did you eat? U eats it smoose moose. I had beef. We did some weather as a way to conversate with each other. Cookish, it is a nice day. Ani-ish cook, it sure is a nice day. Every class I'll be asking you this question. Chu akin aklah uinasi. Chu akin aklah uinasi. What is the weather like outside? We went over the different types of letters. We have plain letters, glottal letters, wedged letters, back letters, and barred letters. Su pitskook-ish. Su pitskook-ish. It is sugar. Su pitskook-ish. Papatsaks-ish. Papatsaks-ish. It is bread. Papatsaks-ish. Kwapi-ish. It is coffee. Kwapi-ish. Our question. Akak-ahku. Akak-ahku. Our attendance. He's hawk. Are you here? Ha, he's thish. Yes, I am here. If they're not here, we say wikidish. Our prayer, ha sapi hawis, nach atuin, quakin hahtakshi, hopi in huip, titakiakin chu. You can also greet each other by saying Kaya ho'as, hello, welcome. And I'll ask my assistant to sing with me, Nanook Ani. Let's sing. Nanook Ani. Hope you enjoyed week 5, day 1. Ready? Nanook Ani, Tawak Aklak Hatstang. Iye, iye, iye. Ma'ayis hach hana iye. Wikausa itsk uyachik hanu hunu. Iye, iye, iye. Ma'ayis hach hana iye. Wikausa itsk uyachik hanu hunu. Iye, iye, iye. Uyi wusi kachi tliskus. Wikausa itsk uyachik hanu hunu. Iye, iye, iye. Tatuch ma'as hana iye. Wikausa itsk uyachik hanu hunu. Iye, iye, iye. Ma'ayis hach hana iye. Wikausa itsk uyachik hanu hunu. Iye, iye, iye. True. We'll see you all on Wednesday.
True.
True. Good night. Good night.
Bye.
Thank you.
Have a good sleep.
Chooch.
Chooch.